Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with a Skool community. There are many tools out there. There are many software platforms out there. And ultimately, what you want to do with them is either make yourself more productive or earn an extra bit of income or make it useful. So we're looking at Skool.com and how you can actually make money with a Skool community. So first of all, let's run through the steps. You need to identify a specific audience with clear problems that you can solve. Okay, this narrows your focus and it beats the broad appeal every single time. The second thing you need to do is set up your Skool community with clear branding, compelling descriptions, and also an organized structure. The next thing you need to do is share actionable insights, tips, and resources consistently to demonstrate your expertise and build trust with your audience. The next thing is to create urgency through limited time offers, exclusive access, or capped membership numbers. That is a fantastic way to create urgency. You can also personally reach out to ideal members who would benefit most from your community. The next step is to leverage social media, content marketing, and partnerships to attract your target audience more efficiently. And then you need to launch courses. You develop premium digital courses that solve specific problems for your community members. This means learning what exactly it is that their problem is and how you can overcome it, and building a course that does exactly that. And the last and final step, most important, is to foster engagement, to celebrate the wins, and to create a culture where members actually support each other rather than just gain for themselves. Turning your Skool into a community, your Skool community into an income. So you can generate revenue through paid memberships and digital courses. Skool has integrated payment systems that make it seamless. So there's members pay and that you can actually earn. So this is either monthly or annually. You also have a premium course access, exclusive content tiers, and also one-time workshops or masterclasses. And then the payment and fees. So Skool handles all the payment processing with transparent competitive rates on the Pro plan. Transaction fees are actually 2.9% plus 30 cents per payment. Your payment schedule is weekly direct deposits. You need to be VAT and tax compliant. And it's also managed within the platform. And then the last thing, it's very important, there's no hidden fees or complicated structures, so it is exactly what it is. Ways to promote your courses to your community. So you can share valuable content on any social media platforms, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. And then email marketing. You can start building an email list and nurture your subscribers with valuable insights. Also, you can partner with complementary creators for cross promotions, guest appearances, joint webinars, and affiliate programs to expand your reach exponentially.